Most new YouTubers make a critical mistake that kills their channel before it even starts: uploading too soon. The algorithm needs 48 hours to process a new channel, and skipping this step can bury videos before they get a chance to grow. Every detail matters when starting a faceless channel in 2025. Let's dive in. Starting fresh is sometimes the smartest move, especially if an old channel just isn't growing. If videos are barely hitting 100 views despite having hundreds of subscribers, chances are the algorithm has stopped recommending the content. In this case, creating a brand new channel is often more effective than trying to revive a dead one. But jumping in without a plan, that's where many go wrong. The key to a successful faceless channel starts with smart choices from the very beginning. Choosing the right niche is essential, and rushing this decision can lead to frustration. Imagine spending months on a gaming channel only to prefer tech tutorials. Taking a few days to research is worth it. The niche should be both interesting and in demand. Once decided, the channel name, logo, and banner must align to maintain clarity and attract the right audience. Another common mistake is using an old email account to create the new channel. It may seem convenient, but it's not the best move. A fresh, professional-looking email makes everything easier, from managing monetization to responding to sponsorship offers. Nobody wants to email jake123456788@gmail.com for business inquiries. Setting up a new email also ensures that login credentials and security settings are optimized for YouTube use. When creating the account, selecting personal use is usually the best option unless sponsorship management is the main goal. With the email set, it's time to create the channel. But this is where most people rush and overlook important settings. These small details can impact a channel's performance. For example, choosing the correct country of residence is a must because it affects monetization later. Some believe setting it to a high CPM country like the US will increase revenue, but earnings depend on the audience's location, not the country listed in the settings. Keywords are essential for helping YouTube recommended videos to the right audience. Using 3 types, channel-related, content-specific, and audience-targeted, boosts visibility. Mobile keyword research can be tricky, but AI tools and YouTube search suggestions simplify the process. A well-optimized keyword strategy increases discoverability and improves a channel's overall performance. One important setting that often gets ignored is whether the channel is marked as made for kids or not. Unless the content is specifically created for children, selecting not made for kids is the right choice. Did you know that choosing the wrong setting can limit reach, affect monetization, and even disable comments? Another useful setting is the clip feature, which allows others to share short snippets from videos. Keeping this enabled helps increase visibility and engagement. Before uploading content, verifying the channel is crucial. Without it, features like custom thumbnails, longer uploads, and live streaming remain locked. Simply enter a phone number, receive a code, and gain access. For advanced features, YouTube may require video verification, which takes up to 24 hours but unlocks essential tools. Uploading too soon is a common mistake. YouTube's algorithm needs time to process new settings, and posting early can hurt performance. Waiting 48 hours allows time to finalize branding, logo, banner, and description. A well-optimized description with relevant keywords improves search rankings and boosts a video's chances of reaching the right audience. Creating content is the exciting part, but jumping straight into the main channel can be overwhelming. A practice channel is a game changer, helping beginners overcome perfectionism and build confidence. There's no pressure for views or subscribers, it's simply a space to experiment, improve, and refine skills before launching the main channel. For those unsure about a niche, testing multiple topics on a practice channel helps. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate video ideas instantly, making the process easier. Once a few topics are selected, consistently uploading content for 2 months builds essential skills like scripting, recording, and editing. Long-form videos work well with 1 or 2 uploads per week, while 4 to 5 shorts weekly speed up progress. A structured learning approach is key. Start with audio quality, then focus on video structure, delivery, and effective call to actions to improve overall content quality. Once that's in place, video editing should take priority. Learning basic edits like clean cuts, syncing visuals with audio, and adding simple text overlays builds a strong foundation before moving on to advanced techniques like keyframing, green screen effects, and masking. If this helped you get closer to launching your faceless YouTube channel, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more content like this, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Now check out the next video for more expert tips. Let's keep growing!